Hi guys. So today we are here in Belmont, California also, and we are at Noilani's. It's a Hawaiian restaurant, bar and lounge, and heard a lot of good stuff about this place. The place gets packed all the time, so we're gonna ask the servers some recommendations and see what's that one dish that you really need to get here at Noilani's Bar and Lounge. Let's go. Hi, what is your name?
Noilani.
Noelani, so you are?
I am the owner here at Noilani's Island Grill.
Wow, so what is all about the hype about this place?
Well, I think it comes down to the fact that people love Hawaii. I think people are connected in some kind of way, whether they're from there, born and raised, used to live there, celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, got married in Hawaii. So I think definitely people gravitate to the feeling that it gives off, in addition to, you know, the tropical cocktails and the delicious food that it offers as well.
So what kind of style food is it?
I mean, it's Hawaiian Asian fusion. I mean, in Hawaii, we are a melting pot of different cultures, so our food is easily influenced by Japanese, Chinese, Portuguese, Filipino. So it's definitely a diverse menu.
Okay, and can you give me like the top 3 dishes that you personally like?
Yeah. So if you ever were to come here and visit Noilani's, I definitely highly suggest getting our kakako nachos, which is we also call our poke nachos. And that's ahi shoyu poke on top of our house-made taro chips, drizzled with sriracha, wasabi aioli, and unagi sauce. Another one would be our shaka chicken. Our shaka chicken, like shaka, is our take on our mochiko chicken back in Hawaii. It's just slightly different. We do marinate the chicken. It's full of flavor, also drizzled with some delicious sauces and furikake seasoning. And then thirdly would be our guava skirt steak. Nice cut, marinated for at least 48 hours, so a lot of flavor, very juicy.
So, Noelani gave me a drink. It's called the Blue Hawaiian. So it's like a blue kakua with pina colada mix. I mean, what's a Hawaiian without a pina colada, I guess? But anyways, it looks good. Wow. Okay, so we have the 3 main dishes that Noelani had recommended to us. So the first one we have right here, it's called the kakahano nachos. Alright, so the kakahano nachos here uses tuna. So it's a ahi shoyu stock poke with tomatoes and green onions served with the taro chips here. The taro chip looks really nice and crispy, big, large, with some wasabi aioli and also some sriracha aioli. A lot of sesame, you'll see the sesame's on here, and it looks really fresh and nice. Let's see. really crispy, juicy. Wow. The crunchiness, the flavor. The flavor is so rich, very nice. The wasabi aioli with the soy, sesame, and vinaigrette. The mixtures goes very well. Very good combination. Fresh tuna. Delicious, I like that. You can taste the onion. There's a lot of flavor to this. I like it. Alright, so that was an appetizer that we got. So Noelani recommended this to us. The second one is called the guava skirt steak. The guava skirt steak. Look at that. Looks medium rare. Skirt steak. Cooked to perfection. There are sesames, pickled cucumbers, green onions. Very nice. Comes with two sides. There's rice and the mac and cheese. So let's see how that tastes.
No, I am good. We take this step by step. I am good.
It's good. It has a sweetness. Like a little barbecue sauce maybe with a guava puree. A guava puree. And a soy sauce marinade to it. It's actually really good. We should eat with some rice to go with that. So far so good. Now our third dish that she recommended to us that everybody loves here is called the chaka chicken. Chaka chicken. Chaka chaka chicken. It's a boneless chicken marinated in it's called I think it's chayu pineapple sauce, and a little bread with the flash fried with a drizzle of I think it's sriracha aioli and a little bit of wasabi aioli also, and I think the flavor it has like unagi sauce to it too. Let's try it out. Yes. Ooh. There's a kick of spice. Chicken, lightly breaded. You can taste the unagi sauce. You can taste the unagi sauce. The spices, I think it's from the wasabi aioli also. Great flavor. No wonder everybody has to order this dish. Okay, it's good. Perfect. I like it. I have made my decision. All the dishes were great, but it's that one dish that I personally would definitely get here. That one dish is the chaka chicken. The chaka chicken. Slightly better, slightly fried, with the green onions, the unagi sauce. Oh my lord. And you have the wasabi flavor, the wasabi aioli mixed onto it. The flavor, the texture, that everything, it just explodes like in your mouth. Very delicious. So when you come here at Noelani's Hawaiian Fusion Bar and Lounge, that one dish you need to get is that chaka chicken. Chaka chicken. Okay. So if you guys do like the videos that I've been making, please do like and subscribe down below. And you know, we'll go to all these restaurants that you guys want. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment at anywhere we should go, what you guys' recommendations would be. We'll take all recommendations and we'll pick out that one restaurant and that one dish that you guys tell us to go to, and we'll go. Until next time.